This is my Sticky Willy apple and elderflower juice. The moment I've been waiting for, it is officially prime time for the Cleavers, especially if you want to take them for medicinal purposes and utilise their healing properties. So I like to get them when they're at this stage, not only to infuse in water, but also to juice and drink as it is. It's delicious on its own, or if you mix it with apple juice and some elderflower that's all banging seasoned and full of micronutrients, it's going to do you the world of good. So to make this one, all you need to do is get yourself 3 or 4 eating apples, so they're fairly sweet, and then get your cleavers, make sure you wash them, drain them and chop them and get them in the juicer. And I love my new Hurum juicer. It's got real kind of slow press technology and maximises the amount of juice you get and minimises the pulp. So there's less waste and it's easier to clean. And then get yourself some elderflowers, they're banging season now, and I'll put a few of the flowers in the bottles or a jug, whatever you've got. Skim some of the foam off the top and then decant it into your bottles. Ideally you want to leave this overnight to infuse but also chill, and this juice is best drunk first thing in the morning for a really detoxifying way to start the day, and it definitely puts a skip in your step. But look at that colour, it's packed full of nutrients, the elderflower really comes through and the apple helps it out. So get on the Sticky Willy juice.